Hello, here Akhil Srivastava teaching you maths of class 9, chapter 4, linear equation in two variables. Previous lecture I have told you some example of graph. Now we will see the example number 7 of your book. Example 7. Example 7 is given. You know that the force is applied on a body is directly proportional to the acceleration produced to the body. Write the equation directly proportional to this. So we will let the directly proportional to this. Suppose you are letting the applied y unit force is applying and y is equal to kx. Let the y is equal to kx. What is the x? X is the value, k is constant here. Proportional means produce, acceleration produced. Y is equal to force is equal to ma. F is equal to mass into acceleration. That is, F is directly proportional mass application. This formula in the physics, that you applied here. M is constant, K constant mass, that is K. F is the force Y and A acceleration is X. So on the basis of this you plot the graph. There is nothing, value is not given. So you will apply your value and then find the value. Let the any constant, what is the given? Write the application solution and plot the graph. A force is applied. Let the force is applied is 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit. What is the K constant? So how will you get it? However, if we given the action K is the constant, write the equation. Equation you have written. Now your K will be here. So K you take as a constant, any constant you take, not one. Y is equal to x, or let K is equal to constant is equal to 4 or 3. Here in your book it is taken K equal to 3. So Y is equal to 3x. It is your equation. You want to plot the graph of this, then you will take the 3 solution. Very simply you can get minimum to maximum, no limit. So here x you are putting, it is a y in term of x. Put the value 0, you are getting 0. At the place of force applied, constant force, constant mass is 3 kg. X is any. If x is 0 force you applied, then the 0 you will get. What is? Force is directly proportional to the acceleration. Then there is a 0 acceleration. Here y is equal to 3x. Suppose x is 1, then what will you get? 3. And what is the x is minus 1? Then what will you get? 3 into minus 1 minus 3. So you can plot for this, plotting the graph. One value, one thing, force you are taking and acceleration you are taking. Acceleration taking y, x, and force you are taking y. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. So that is given 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, then minus 4. Here you are getting 1, 2, 3. How will you plot this? That you know in the graph coordinate geometry. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. All the values x dash. Now it is ready to plot. 0, 0 means this point, origin. 0, 0 means origin. 1, comma 3 means you are getting this. And minus 1, comma minus 3 means you are getting this. It is minus 1, comma minus 3. It is 1, comma 3. All the 3 points you are getting. When you put the scale like this, you can plot it. When you plot it, suppose you are plotting, suppose here, then what will you get here? You are plotting this by scale. So by scale you plot, you will get it. If it is not in a straight line, it means something is wrong. It is your graph for the force applied on an object produced directly proportional to the, proportional means this side. That in physics you know. Force is proportional to acceleration. F is proportional to A. So that F is equal to m, mass into acceleration. Second question example number 8 is given. When the graph is given, then how will you know that which one is the graph of the correct one? Example 8. In the example 8 it is given. You can see there is a 3 graphs given. From each graph, select the equation which is from the chosen. For each of the graph in figure 4.5 that is given. First graph, second graph and the third graph. First graph it is passing through origin, this and this. There is a solutions given MCQ type, first, second, third, fourth. In the first one, A part figure is this. For this, a figure is given like this. It is the graph for A. Here the points are given 1, 2, 0, 0, minus 1, 2. Minus 1, minus 2, 0, comma 0 and 1, comma 2. It is given. And your question is given. Which is their correct? First part is given x plus y 0. X plus y 0, x equal to 0, 0 plus 0, 0, but 1 plus 2 will be not 0. How will you check? Here 4 options are given. X plus y is equal to 0. Second one is given y equal to 2x. Third one is given y is equal to x. And fourth one is given y is equal to 2x plus 1. Out of 4 options, which one is the equation? This graph is correct for which out of these 4 equations? X plus y you check. How many points? 1, 2, 3. All the 3 points must satisfy this. All the 3 points must satisfy this. Then it will be a. How will you check? 1, 2. Put here 1, 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, not 0. So first one is not. Second, here 1, 2. First you check 1, 2 here. At the place of x you write 1. Then you are getting 2 and the 2, 2. At the place of x you write 0. Then 0 into 2, 0. Third one, minus 1. At the place of x you write minus 1, your result is minus. It is a true for, like this you will get for 1 comma 2, 2 is equal to 2 into 1, 2 is equal to 2. For 0 comma 0, you will get 0 is equal to 2 into 0, 0 is equal to 0. Minus 1 comma 2, also you check here, what are you getting? Minus 2 is equal to 2 into minus 1 gives you. So this one is your correct answer. Y is equal to 2x is the solution. But this also you check. For 1 and 2, it is also wrong. 1 is not equal to 2. X you write 1, 2 plus 1, 3 here, 2. So these 3, only this one, fourth one is your correct option. Like this you will get the second B part. B part is given 4 options. X plus y is equal to 0, first option. Second, y is same option is given. Same option. Second option is given, not same, for y is equal to 2x. And the third option is given. Third option for the second figure. Second B part. Third option is given y is equal to 2x plus 4. And fourth option is given y is equal to x plus 4. And the graph is given for this figure 4.5 seconds. So graph is this. X, y dash, x dash. Your graph is this. It is given. Here given 1604, 0 comma 4, 1 comma 6, and one more point is given minus 2 comma 0. All the 3 points must satisfy. All the 3 points must satisfy this. It is given the second figure in the book. So how will you do it? First you check any one, 1, 6 you take. 1, 6 you take. 1 point you take and check. When you put 1x and 6y, then 7, first one is over. It is not the correct answer. 1, 6, x is 1, then y is not 2 and 2, not 6. It is also over. Third one, x is equal to 1. 2 and 2 plus 4. 1 and 6 you check here. Orally you check here, it is not. So here y equal to 2 into 1 plus 4. What are you getting? 2 plus 4, 6. So 1, 6 is over. Another 0, 4 you check. It is not that 1 is over, then you stop. 0, 4. For 0, 4, y is equal to 2 into 0 plus 4 gives you 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. Then it is also correct. Third one is minus 2 comma 0. You check this. So y is equal to 2 into minus 2 plus 4 gives you minus 4 plus 4, 0. Then all the 3 points satisfy this equation. It means it is the correct answer. It means it is the correct answer. Here you will check. Then 1 and 6. 6 plus 1 plus 4, 5. Here only 1 and 6 is not the correct. You see, 1, 6, 1 is x, 1 plus 4, 5, but your answer is 6. So only this one is the correct. And the C part is given. C part is given. C part of this is given. First, x plus y is equal to 0. Second, C part, y equal to 2x. And the third, y is equal to 2x plus 1. Fourth, y is equal to 2x minus 4. Figure is given. Figure for the C part of the example number 8. What is the figure given? Figure is given, last figure, this. Like this. It is the figure given. X, x dash, y, y dash, and figure is given here 0 comma minus 4, here given 2 comma 0, and one more point is given 1 comma minus 2. You want to check whether it is a solution or not. Again you apply same thing, all the 3 points must satisfy. So any one you take. Suppose I am taking 2 comma 0. This 2 comma 0. X is 2, 2 plus 0 is 2. First, it is not correct. Y. Y, x is equal to 2, 2 to the 4, y equal to 4, but here y is 0. So it is not fit for this also. Last one. Third, y equal to for 2 comma 0, y is equal to 2 into 2 plus 1, 4 plus 1, so is equal to 5. It is also not satisfying. 2, 0 is again not satisfying. Third one. So fourth one will be, again you check what is the y is equal to 2 into 0 comma 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. It is correct. Second one is correct, but you check other also. 1 comma minus 2. So y is equal to 2 into 1 comma 4. 2 comma minus 4. What are you getting? Minus 2. It is also correct. And 0 comma minus 4 you put. Y is equal to 2 into 0 minus 4. 0 minus 4 will be minus 4. It is also correct. All the 3 points are satisfying the equation. So, which one is the correct answer? Fourth one. This is your correct equation for this graph. Like this you will check. And you have finished your examples. Now we will start the exercise in the next lecture. Thanks for today.